In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create profit and loss statement PNL in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the report, how to set the period you want, how to choose between cash and accrual views, and how to export or print it for sharing. Start by opening Zoho Books and landing on the homepage. From the dashboard, look for the Reports section. Reports is your hub for all the financial summaries in Zoho Books, and it's where you'll generate your profit and loss, sometimes called the income statement. Open Reports, then head to the Business Overview category. This area groups high-level reports that show how your company is performing, and right inside, you'll find the Profit and Loss report. Click Profit and Loss to open it. Once the report page loads, focus on the filters. These controls let you tailor the statement so it reflects exactly what you want to see. You'll typically find options for date range, report basis, and additional filters. It's worth taking a moment here to set things up properly, because your choices determine the accuracy and usefulness of the statement. Adjust the date range to match the period you want to analyze. You can use presets like this month or this quarter, or set custom start and end dates for a very specific window, such as a project span or a fiscal period. Accurate dates matter. Your profit and loss summarizes income and expenses recognized within this range, and changing it can significantly shift your totals. If you're preparing monthly management reports, pick the exact calendar month. If you're doing an audit or year-end review, use your fiscal year dates. Next, choose the report basis. You can view the profit and loss on an accrual basis or a cash basis. Accrual shows revenue when it's earned and expenses when they're incurred, regardless of when money actually moves. Cash shows revenue and expenses only when payments are received or made. Many businesses prefer accrual for a truer picture of operations, while cash is helpful for understanding actual cash flow. For our example, select cash so the report reflects money in and out during the selected period. If you want to refine the results further, open more filters. Here you can narrow the statement by different dimensions supported in your account, such as branches, tags, or other criteria you track. This is particularly helpful when you're comparing different locations, analyzing a particular line of business, or excluding non-operating items. Use filters sparingly and intentionally so the statement remains clear and aligned with your goal. When your filters are set, run the report. Zoho Books will refresh the view and present your profit and loss. Take a moment to scan the layout. You'll typically see income at the top, followed by cost of goods sold if you track it, then operating expenses, and finally your net profit or loss at the bottom. If something looks off, double-check the date range and report basis first, then revisit filters. Small changes there can resolve most discrepancies. As you review, consider whether the totals match your expectations for the selected period and whether there are any unusual spikes that might warrant a closer look. When you're ready to share or archive the statement, use the export option. Choose PDF to create a clean, ready-to-share document that preserves the formatting. This is ideal for sending to stakeholders or attaching to a board pack. Choose XLSX if you plan to perform additional analysis in a spreadsheet, such as adding comparisons, building charts, or consolidating multiple entities. If you need a hard copy for a meeting or filing, use Print to send it to your printer with the same formatting you see on screen. As a best practice, include the period in the file name when saving, so it's easy to find later. That's the complete walkthrough. Open Reports, go to Business Overview, select Profit and Loss, set your date range and basis, refine with filters if needed, run the report, and export or print. With these steps, you'll produce a clear, accurate profit and loss statement in Zoho Books whenever you need it.